Hey guys, looks like we're doing another sketchoid tree today. Let's take a look at this thing here. All that's dead up there, and I wonder if there's much good wood on here, in here. This oak here. Look at this. This looks like be good wood in there, but look how punky that gets up there. I'm gonna put a rope in it, put a good little undercut in it, and base cut, and then a back cut, and then just pull from there, because I don't want to be standing under this thing. This trunk will probably hold up. Oh man, look at that. Gosh. But it's the stuff up top. Look at all that stuff. See if I could get a rope up high and pull it out. I got the throw ball out and got on the hillside, and I got up around this little tree here, and I pulled my rope up through it. Let me put that through that and pull and see if I can get it to start to cinch on there. It's braced up by that little tree there, so let's see. To put less pressure on that little tree holding it, I'm going to get behind it and pull. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm doing pretty good here. I got this thing pretty high up in that tree. So I'm gonna get this tied onto another rope, get it pulled a little tighter, and see where we go. All right, I'm tied off. Now I just gotta do my cut. Let's cut this thing. All right, guys, I did two things wrong here that led to the disaster you see coming up. Not a disaster, but an equipment disaster, at least not a human injury disaster, which I'm thankful for. But the two things I did wrong was, if you can notice, the tree is leaning to the left when you're looking at it from this angle here. So I should have started cutting there on that left side, where the compression is going to happen, where the tree is leaning toward. Because when you cut on the right side, or the opposite side of the lean, where I'm at, and then you work your way around, what happens is you've freed that side up, and the tree ends up sitting down on your saw and pinching it, and that's exactly what happens. So if I would have started on that left side and worked my way around the other direction, it wouldn't have happened. This wouldn't have happened to my saw. The other thing that's almost related to this that I should have done differently was what I almost have done in every situation, which is I should have removed that smaller tree that's attached to the trunk. That was just a nuisance the whole time working around that. and I was frustrated that I left it as I was going about cutting this tree. And the only reason I did is because I was in a hurry, which was definitely not a good thing. You could hear the tree pop there, but what you can't see is that it was swaying back and forth, and I'm surprised it stayed up. Very surprised I was able to get back to the truck. And here I am pulling. You'll see the line go up, up, and here we go with the tree falling. And in case you missed it, here's a close-up of what happened to my saw. You can see it there at the bottom, and the tree rolled and squished it. That thing scared the crap out of me. Let's go take a look at it. Uh-oh. Oh no. Buried my saw. Whoa. Good Lord. $1,000 saw. Let's see how it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my goodness. I hope he's all right. He's buried. Luckily this is soft ground. I hope it ain't smashed. He's in there though. Good Lord. That's wild. I've never seen anything like that. Yeah, look how good that cinched up on there. And I went forward. Tight. Well, I brought my buddy back out of retirement. Let's go do it. It don't look pretty. Hopefully just that, not the casing. What do we got here? Oh yeah. Hopefully it was more of a pressing and a pushing than a pounding. Nice wet soil. So far, so good. All right. Oh my. Wow. None of that is broken. Wow. Oh, shoot, it is. Oh, well. It's replaceable. But the main stuff looks to be intact. What do you guys think? Start it up and keep cutting? I think that bar will work great. Don't even have to angle your cuts. Just hold it with one hand and it'll cut for you. Well, I don't think it's gonna cost too much to replace. The dogs are intact. Whew. Good Lord. Yikes. Well, I'm alive, he's alive, and that tree's dead. It's a good day.